Hello friend, I'm Pinky from Untrack. Happy to see you again. Today I'm at our Shanghai port warehouse and want to share with you 2 unit quality construction machinery ready to ship. Please follow my step. First is China top construction machinery brand XCMG brand wheel loader ZL50GN, also called money-making pioneer. The most eye-catching thing is the diversified bucket design. The loader bucket capacity is 4 cubic meters. Also, you can choose rock bucket for good resistance or cool bucket for bulk material handling and other various attachments. Now, let's see the next part, the cabin. Here is intelligent computer monitoring. The optimized design of cabin creates the best driving experience for the operator. The steering wheel, seat, and the pilot joystick are freely adjustable depending on operator's habit. The instant overload demand is powered by Weichai engine. Air filter and diesel filters are reasonably distributed, which is easy to replace. The second is hot cell model SHANTUI Bulldozer SD22. Equipped with Cummins engine, the machine's horsepower is 220. The operating weight is 23.4 tons. With SHANTUI exclusive technology, this bulldozer is delivering high torque yet low fuel consumption. By the way, affected by novel coronavirus, this year's Bauma Fair is a bit deserted. But no worries, our company will constantly provide you quality construction machines and vehicles. Please take care of yourself. Let's meet in 2022. See you.